everyone, and welcome back to another Artifact Corner. Today we will be looking at a very interesting document from 1917, a home insurance policy. This policy was issued by the Insurance Company of North America, which was founded in 1792 based out of Philadelphia. This policy was purchased on December 7th, 1917, and was bought to cover the cost of the furniture in the home. The premium was $15 for $2,500 worth of coverage, issued for the estate of Francis D. Hall. Fannie Delord Webb Hall passed away in 1913, so by this point the home was under her estate. The history of property insurance dates back to the Great Fire of London in 1666. Let's learn about the connection between the Great Fire and property insurance. So, what was the Great Fire of London? London in the mid-17th century was still very much a medieval city, complete with mostly wooden structures, narrow streets, and thatched roofs. The primary means of heating, cooking, and lighting your home was fire. The average homes were crowded, and their design increased the fire risk. The typical multi-storied timbered London tenement houses had jetties, or projecting upper floors. They had a narrow footprint at a ground level, but maximized their use of land by encroaching on the street, with the gradually increasing size of their upper stories. Also by the 1660s, London was by far the largest city in Britain and the third largest in the Western world, estimated at 300 to 400,000 inhabitants. All of these things combined to make for a catastrophic event. The fire began in a bakery in Pudding Lane shortly after midnight on Sunday, the 2nd of September, and spread rapidly. The use of the major firefighting technique of the time, the creation of fire breaks by means of removing structures in the fire's path, was critically delayed due to the indecisiveness of the Lord Mayor, Sir Thomas Bloodworth. By the time large-scale demolitions were ordered on Sunday night, the wind had already fanned the bakery fire into a firestorm, which defeated such measures. The fire pushed north on Monday into the heart of the city. On Tuesday, the fire spread over nearly the whole city, destroying St. Paul's Cathedral and leaping the River Fleet to threaten Charles II's court at Whitehall Palace. Coordinated firefighting efforts were simultaneously getting underway. The battle to put out the fire is considered to have been won by two key factors. The strong east wind dropped, and the Tower of London garrison used gunpowder to create an effective firebreak, halting further spread eastward. The official death toll for the event was 6 people, but historians believe it's more likely that hundreds of people died. 85% of Londoners were left homeless by the fire. The devastating effects of the fire converted the development of insurance from a matter of convenience into one of urgency, a change of opinion reflected in Sir Christopher Wren's inclusion of a site for the insurance office in his new plan for London in 1667. A number of attempted fire insurance schemes came to nothing, but in 1681, economist Nicholas Barbon and 11 associates established the first fire insurance company, the Insurance Office for Houses, at the back of the Royal Exchange to insure brick and frame homes. Initially, 5,000 homes were insured by Barbon's insurance office. Our insurance policy papers are in very good condition, even though the document was issued 108 years ago. It is a great piece of the museum's history, and we are so lucky to have it in our collections. Thanks so much for stopping by.